Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Redwood Neighborhoods app is and how it's positioned. According to official App Store listings, Redwood Neighborhoods Resident is a tenant-focused app designed to give residents access to a mobile portal for managing their housing experience. It allows users to handle tasks like rent payments, maintenance requests, and staying updated with property-related alerts directly from their phone. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official descriptions, the app enables residents to pay rent online and review payment-related information within the platform. It also includes service request tools where users can report maintenance issues and track their status through the app. According to official listings, residents can receive notifications and alerts, helping them stay informed about updates related to their community. Some descriptions mention features like community updates or announcements, which may help residents stay connected, although availability can depend on property setup and is not confirmed for every user. The app is part of the Redwood Resident portal system, meaning access is typically limited to tenants living in Redwood-managed properties. Some functionality, such as payment options or communication tools, may vary depending on the specific property configuration, and this is not confirmed for every experience. This app may be useful for residents who want a single place to manage rent, maintenance, and community updates. For users interested in simplifying apartment-related tasks through a mobile interface, this could be an option. However, overall usability and feature availability depend on property participation and setup, and this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential limitation. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.